Hello, I'm Ellen Goldberg, and I welcome you to this tarot moment on behalf of the School of Oracles. In this segment, we're going to look at the Star card, one of the most beautiful cards in the deck. In fact, one has earned this card by having gone through the 2 previous stages of evolution. Remember, the last 7 cards of the Major Arcana are the 7 stages of spiritual evolution, and we've had with the Devil, consciousness of bondage, and with the Tower, awakening. And here, as a result of that, we have a period of peace and calm, the stage of revelation from within. This card is ruled by the sign of Aquarius, which is the sign associated with meditation. Not only that, its Hebrew letter, tsadi, which means a fish hook, is the means by which we fish for truth interiorly in our own unconscious and in the collective unconscious, which is represented in this card by the pool. We find truth from within. So it's a card of revelation, of peace and calm. And notice, there's no road here. There's nowhere to go. She's completely engaged in ritual in what she is doing. Why is she naked? Because she is Isis unveiled. It shows that the hidden qualities of nature are revealed to us during meditation. And so the Zephyr Yetzirah called tsadi the natural intelligence. We understand natural things when we go within. We understand our life. Everything in this card is about healing. Notice the great star in the center surrounded by 7 smaller stars. Those 7 small stars are our interior stars, the 7 chakras, and the great star is the star of revelation. Stars have always been guiding forces, and when you are ready, the star of your soul will show its light and guide you. Notice that there's a tree in the background and a red bird. Sometimes that bird is not drawn very well at all, but what it is supposed to be is a scarlet ibis, sacred to Hermes. And the ibis has a great bill that has a lovely fishhook right at the end. If you've ever been fortunate to go along the Nile, you will see those scarlet ibises right at the edge of the water, dipping and fishing so well with their own natural hook. This is how we fish in meditation. Notice she has 1 foot on land and 1 foot on the water. So she may indeed be solidly on the land, but that foot that's standing on the water means she keeps her balance through connection with the collective unconscious. The streams that she pours out of one of her pitchers not only refer back to Aquarius, the water bearer, but show that they are the fruit of her meditation that goes into the earth, into our planet. Anything that one person has achieved, and all people can achieve. One stream always goes back to the pool. So not only what we achieve is applicable to all other people, but part of it goes to the collective unconscious. Everything in this card is about peace and healing. When this card comes for you in a reading, think revelation, finding your truth within rather than in the world of mankind. Think of healing, or a period of rest and research that you have earned. Very importantly, this is a card, I almost forgot to say, of the spiritual quest. So think of the Starry Night. Think of Don Quixote. This is a card that encourages the spiritual quest, and that may also be a meaning on the higher polarity. On the lower polarity, you're looking in the wrong place for truth. You're looking out in the world for it rather than inside. And instead of the expectation and belief of the quest, There's a kind of dreaminess, which is a much more wishy-washy quality, just kind of hoping things will happen. The best way to make things happen is to expect them, feel them, make them real as if they were true now. Use this card as a meditative aid, and it will help to bring you peace and revelation. For the School of Oracles, I thank you for being with me. Bye for now.